Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming that your browser or device supports picture-in-picture. Open the YouTube video you want and pause it. This prevents jumps when Pi-P starts. If Pi-P is unavailable, make sure to check browser settings or experimental flags. Once enabled, right-click the video twice to expose the Pi-P option, or tap the Pi-P icon on mobile. You do this now because starting from a paused state avoids autoplay conflicts and ensures the small window positions correctly on your screen. Once you enter picture-in-picture, the video detaches into a floating window you can move. Drag it to a corner and resize by dragging an edge. Maintain the 16:9 ratio visually to avoid letterboxing. Make sure the original tab stays open. It controls audio, captions, and video quality. If you need captions, enable them from the Source tab before detaching. Also, use the Pi-P playback buttons for pause, seek, and close. This keeps your workflow smooth while you multitask. To finish, return to the original tab whenever you need to change quality, captions, or playback speed. Make the change there and then re-enable picture-in-picture if necessary. If Pi-P doesn't appear or stutters, first update your browser or app, temporarily disable extensions that block scripts, and restart your device. These steps resolve most conflicts. When you're done watching, click the Back to Tab button to restore the player or close the Pi-P window to stop playback. This ensures playback resumes properly and resources free up.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.